Sa Tanyete Jardinel.
Hello guys, my name is Carla Rochelle Divino. Hello guys, my name is Alexa Nicole Veneracion.
Hello guys, my name is Chloe Angela Quintan.
And we are Group 1.
Hello everyone, we are the Group 1.
And we are going to play
Flip the Battle Challenge. Let's go! G!
Nice.
Using our flip the bottle results, we will now solve for the mean and variance.
Hello guys, I am Eliza Nicole Veneracion and I'm here to explain this problem on how to find the mean, variance, and standard deviation. And here's the problem. A small company tracks how many deliveries a driver makes in a day with the following probability distribution. Our X is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And our P of X 0.10, 0.20, 0.40, 0.20, and 0.10. And our next step is to find the X times P of X. So we need to multiply the X and P of X. So 2 times 0.10 is equal to 0.2. 3 times 0.20 is equal to 0.6. 4 times 0.40 is equal to 1.6. 5 times 0.20 is equal to 1. And 6 times 0.10 is equal to 0.6. To find the mean, we need to add all the numbers that we get in X times P of X. So 0.2 plus 0.6 plus 1.6 plus 1 plus 0.6 is equal to 4. Next step is X minus mean. So 2 minus 4 is equal to negative 2. 3 minus 4 is equal to negative 1. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Our next step is X minus mean squared. We need to square all the numbers that we get in X minus mean. Negative 2 squared is equal to 4. Negative 1 squared is equal to 1. 0 squared is equal to 0. 1 squared is equal to 1. 2 squared is equal to 4. Now, X minus mean squared times P of X. We need to multiply the X minus mean squared and P of X. So 4 times 0.10 is equal to 0.4. 1 times 0.20 is equal to 0.2. 0 plus 0.40 is equal to 0. 1 times 0.20 is equal to 0.2. 4 times 0.10 is equal to 0.4. To find the variance, we need to add all the numbers that we get in x minus mean squared times p of x. 0.4 plus 0.2 plus 0 plus 0.2 plus 0.4 is equal to 1.2. Now, to find the standard deviation, we need to square root 1.2 is equal to 1.1.